Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Not one I ever thought I would be making, but hey ho. 25th of February, I had a phone call from someone saying that they were a business and they needed some UPSs. So I was like, okay, they've seen the ones on the website, and all well and good. So they paid by card for them, and anyway, I waited for the card to clear, the card payment to clear. So this was on the Friday, and come Monday, the payment cleared. So I contacted the supplier who shipped the items to the address that was given, and I must stress it was the address that the card was registered to. Following week, I had another call from the same person. Needed 3 more. Again, same protocols. Wait for card to clear. Shipped the parts. Anyway, come Wednesday last week, almost 2 weeks after the first transaction, we get a call from the card people saying that the first transaction was fraudulent and they will be taking the money back, which they will be doing today, I do believe. And they will also be doing it eventually with the second one. So in total, the order came to, or the 2 orders came to £3,276 yeah, and 55p, I think. So this is just a word of warning to you, really. You know, if in future, if you get someone like this, phone up. Always demand they do it by backs. If they won't do it by backs, then it's not a genuine order. But I'm out of business. Nearly 18 years, and I'm out of business. We're winding up this week, and well, this month, unless something occurs, which I can't say at the moment. Then yeah, I'm out of business. So thank you for watching. I will carry on making videos if I get the chance. There's a few things I want to do, so I mean, if it still helps someone, then you know, it may be under the ENS computers, but as long as it helps someone. Anyway, I'm waffling now, so I'm going to go. Please click like, and yeah, be careful out there. Bye.